everybody, and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And today I am actually going to be taking you out into our outdoor terrace garden to show you the beautiful colours that are going on now in what is supposed to be the coldest month of the year in southern Sweden, February. And to be precise, it is February the 23rd, 2020. I want to show you that due to our very mild winter we've had this year, my beautiful plants outside are flowering like crazy. My miniature daffodils are out in full bloom and they look beautiful, and they are nestled in between now all my beautifully different coloured cyclamen that have been flowering since last summer and haven't stopped all winter. Even to this day, they are flowering amazingly. So I just want to take you out there and give you a quick little kind of tour of the beautiful plants that are going on out there and all those beautiful flowers mixed in with all the evergreens that I have going on out there, with the hedrahelix growing up around and about, and my junipers and my boxers and my bamboos and all sorts of stuff. I just want to show you that even in February, if you choose the right kind of plants, then you can have a green, lush garden that looks like it is in spring already. But remember, as I said, this is the 23rd of February, 2020, and my outdoor garden looks amazing. So let's go and have a look. So here we are, first of all, down in this little pot here. You can see all these beautiful little narcissus, tete-a-tete, daffodils that are coming out already in the middle of February. And then you can see my beautiful evergreen bushes here that are still doing very well after being planted, as you saw in another video, and a lot of lovely crystals, and my Buddha, and these boxes here at the front, another lovely evergreen. And then down here in these pots, they are doing just so beautifully. There are daffodils, there are cyclamen in different colours that have been flowering since last summer all the way through to now in the middle of February. Look at the beautiful colour on these cyclamen, and then with the pop of colour of these narcissus, tete-a-tete, and then all the hedrahelix that's growing around. And there are also tulips coming up, but they'll come up later on now then, and a few more of these beautiful cyclamen in pinks and reds, and boxus and hedrahelix. And look at this little beautiful grouping of daffodils here, miniature daffodils, and then the cyclamen at the back here in light pink this time, and then a purpley colour at the back down there. And then you can see my juniperas here that are looking beautiful as well. So if we pan around and look at everything together, look at all this colour in the middle of February. It's absolutely unbelievable. And then in these planters up here, you can see the beautiful hedrahelix and these beautiful daffodils. They're just wonderful. And also in the other planter over here, they've come up as well. And I haven't been here to water as much, so some of the hedrahelix have suffered a little bit, but they'll probably bounce back. I've just been out today and watered everything extensively. These beautiful flowers. It's just so wonderful to see all of this in the middle of February out here in our outdoor terrace garden. And then here on the other side you can see some of the larger boxes I have going on, and then these heather in this pot here looking beautiful. More boxes here, and hedrahelix, junipera, and this Pinus mugo, beautiful miniature pine here, and in this corner with hedrahelix and the beautiful Norway spruce tree here. And this is the jumbo bamboos that I planted in another video that are still doing okay but need to flush out a little bit more. And then look at all the beautiful Hedrahelix here, doing so well. And when you look at this like this, it really doesn't look like it is the middle of February, which is the coldest month of the year where I live in the southern part of Sweden. So just wanted to get out and give you a quick view, as I haven't been out and shown any of the outdoor terrace garden for a while, how beautiful it can look by planting evergreen plants and flowers and bulbs that come out all together with different colours and look amazing. So this just shows even somewhere where we don't have warm climates all year round, you can still keep a green outdoor terrace garden. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that mini tour of my outdoor terrace garden and seeing all those beautiful flowers that have come out already. My neighbours keep going past, they are so happy, they stop up, they look, they're amazed, because there aren't many of the other neighbours that have a lot of colour and evergreen going on outside their apartments at the moment. So when they go past ours and see this garden that is just totally alive at this time of year, they're quite amazed, and it just looks beautiful. And I see the happiness and the expression on people's faces when they don't see that I'm inside, and I see them pointing down and smiling and looking at the garden. That makes me feel so happy, because what are our plants for? They are to raise our vibration, they are to make us feel happy, and they are to spread the love and joy out to everyone who wants to see them and share them. And it is just lovely, and that just gives me such a buzz. I get so much out of just doing this because I love it, but when I see that other people enjoy it too, that just raises it to the next level, and it's just wonderful. So it's really nice to have an outdoor terrace garden that is on the alleyway, so everyone gets to enjoy it. It's not just ours. So it's absolutely wonderful. So anyway, that's all I have for you for this short video about our outdoor terrace garden. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when my next video upload will be, and I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.